Oh, they specifically wanted that shot, didn't they?
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving.
Ooh.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your teeth.
What's
great.
that to rip
This isn't
out
gonna be
her
as easy as I
hate?
thought.
Is that what he
Hey,
just fucking
sir,
said?
don't-
Awesome.
We gotta deliver them eggs.
We gotta deliver them eggs? Here we go, dodging around.
Let me fuck your father.
Okay. Let me fuck your father, huh? How about that? Who's this dude? And why you got... Oh, no, don't boom. Don't boom. Who the fuck attached dynamite to zombies? What did they do to themselves?
I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
Well, I'm glad I'm the only one with questions that need answered. Junji Murikawa, and I can't reach it because it went too fast. And he's...
It looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years.
It's just... Oh shit, he's about to attack with every color in Magic the Gathering. What?
Sensei!
Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag.
A sweet do-rag. He's gonna wear my face as a do-rag. Whatchamacallit? A new item showed up in the shop, so... That... Maybe what why we have a point system. Oh, fuck, I wasn't paying... Really? You hit me with a damn... Here's what I have to say about that. Here.
No, God!
Stop it.
No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Stop it with the quick time events.
Dirty Turkish Arkaback, Flatten, Morton, Philip, Burton, Perkaluma, Burton, Waka, Frack, Slack, Wagon, Floated Back, Car, and that Carapac, Rack.
Get out of my way.
There we go.
You zombie hunting slut!
He called me a slut. That's not very nice. Next. Stop it. Look at this. You can't put a butt like that in my face and expect me to do quick times like that. Jeez. Not fair. Did they steal this guy from, My Hero Academia?
I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah!
Punk rock zombie Zed. This is Black Bag torturing small animals.
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skylander here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
Almost there.
Oh, jeez, he got healed up? Oh. Oh, no. Come on. One of them.
You're right,
God.
Juliet.
They didn't do the...
You think that hurts me?
Oh, jeez.
Jizzed a little.
Okay.
Almost there.
Wow.
Oh, that one actually hurt a little, bitch.
It's certainly, bringing itself on pretty close to, Oh, that's not the lollipop button. Something I've actually had to kind of concentrate on for a moment. Dang.
Oh, this sucks.
Take this.
Well, I won't take that. How about that? But you take this, and this, and this, and... Oh, that wasn't very nice.
Die, die, die!
Oh, okay. What the fuck? I'm certainly not in the mood to fight this guy again. Well, the battle's actually pretty cool. I just, for stream's sake, I don't really want to have... This is a really long battle.
Fucking giant letter bullshit.
Oh, jeez. Come on. Oh. How many stages this fucker got? Anytime now, can we get him all the way in half this time? Wow. Wow. Zed's dead, baby. Zed's dead. Of course, the middle finger.
Oh, I'm not done screaming yet. Oh, this really fucking hurts, man. Oh!
Jeez, so emo.
That's it. Zombies are made of moonbeams and sparkles and rainbows. Blue. I mean green. Oh!
I'm gonna fist my ass with your head.
Well, that was a little forward.
Do you want to have babies someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant considering my situation.
But yeah.
Take a skin sample and put it in a petri dish and use magic to grow a baby.
Well, maybe.
Cool. There's a 50% chance it will be a cannibal.
There's a 50% chance that your baby will be a chud. There's a 50% chance that I need to figure out what the fuck I'm doing here. There you go. There you go. Ass saw. How you like them? Another one. Boom. We are just going to start severing backbones. Man, you don't need a pelvis, do you? Not a fuck, none at all whatsoever. Boom. Butt cheeks are for losers. I don't know, I can't. They sent too many of them after me. I can't think of any more like butt jokes. Oh, hey, you got a butt crack going up and down. How about one going sideways? That could be useful too. The dumbest joke I ever heard about butt cracks. Why does your butt crack go up and down instead of left and right? So it doesn't sound like when you go down, when you slide down the banister. There's your dumb joke for the day.
Julia, you have to be careful.
I'll have to be careful. That's a chainsaw dash. You shut the fuck up, boyfriend. And you enjoy the ride bouncing off my butt.
I'll show you another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called the big jump. Hold on.
Hold on with what? Where'd all those rainbow thingies when you cut a zombie in half come from?
Oh, yes, they asked it in the game. Oh my god, they asked it in the game. That is fucking awesome.
Fantastic.
Remember, the rainbows from zombies comes from awesome.
3 point.
Oh, that's her sister with the sniper. Don't wave to the sniper, dumbass.
What? Juliet, there's something on you.
No, Cordelia. That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, hey, Cordelia. How's it going?
Hey, he's cute.
Thanks.
Just poke him with the fucking rifle.
No body thing is cool. I won't have to worry about gaining fat as I am now.
I don't want chewed food falling out of my neck. That's disgusting.
Bye-bye, Granny! Onward to further victory!
Juliet, execute maneuver 54B. Right. 1, 2, 3! Good luck, sis! And you too, cute head boyfriend whose name I forget.
This could be a TV series. This would be a pretty. I mean, if they could keep the writing pretty cheeky all the way through, this could be a good one-season TV series.
You've got a lot of gall setting foot on my ship, Stelpa.
Getting a little seasick.
All right, boys. Ymir, let's cut this bit into bite-sized chunks. I'm gonna use her stairs to make a hat
Man,
and use her spine as a back scratcher.
everybody's reserving her body parts for all sorts of weird shit. What was the last one? Fedora?
Show her the Viking way.
Let's show her the Viking way. Ha 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 ha. Send y'all somewhere, hopefully, however long this takes.
Short and stout. We like to drink and fuck.
Hit him with the blaster from far away.
Come on, can we die this time? Can we get out with your head off? Or are you going to be a three-piece monster now? Oh, for fuck's sake, really?
Feel the power of the gods in me blood.
What? What? Okay. Well, that was kind of that was the last hope of doom right there. Got any more ammo, blast ammo laying around here somewhere? Oh, we do.
Pretty cool.
And we do.
Chainsaw blast. What's this then?
Get it when it hits the ground.
Okay.
Get him in the
All
eye.
right. Well, be nice, but any more ammo around anywhere? Oh fuck! Don't laser shot. Don't. No. Bob and weaving, Bob and weave. I didn't do too much on the bob and weave part, but where the fuck are you at? Can we please almost be done with you?
Yes, it's time.
Okay.
It's him.
He's not up here. Thank you. Can I fucking... I'm trying to finish him. Diagonal and die. Oh, I think that should be it. I think that should be it. You have earned the trophy, Viking. Metal rules.
I can't be beaten by a little girl. I'm a warrior.
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
All right. What the fuck? No, 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 no. I was about to say, don't fucking quick time me.
Flo? Stop!
This bites my non-existent balls.